Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsea and Halloween is my favorite time of year. So today I decided to do this look. Fun fact, I actually did this look a few years ago. I actually did this look like 2 years ago because I remember I was on I think the name is Ray Does FX on Instagram, and I saw this look. I was like, ooh. But yeah, and it turned out really well. And I was like, you know what? This is an easy, simple Halloween look. I'm gonna use it to upload to my channel. So that's how we got here. So yeah, like I said, I decided to recreate this look using this bronzy fall eye. You can pair this mask with any kind of eye look. You can be dramatic, you can keep it simple, you can do whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy. Continue watching to see how this video goes. So for today's video, I'm starting off with my base already done, and we're gonna go straight into the eyes. Since we're doing like a drawn on face mask, I'm not gonna be doing my eyebrows today, but I will be doing something to my eyes, and I'm going to my Morphe 350 palette to do so. First, to start off with priming my eyes, I'm taking my e.l.f. primer stick. I found it. Yay! I'm so happy I found it. But yeah, we're gonna use that to prime today. Now taking a blending brush, I'm gonna go into my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to use this color in my transition area as well as my crease. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably trying to get in your pants again. Some days I'll be fine, but other days I would be pressing it. As Deja with my fire, spark my blunt and I stop stressing it. Hit the booth tonight, we make it. Give a shout out to my ex-chick for this. Now that my transition area is blended out, I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, and I'm dipping into this color right here in my Morphe 350 palette still. And I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit. Next, on my lid, I'm going to be taking this copper shade right here, and I'm going to press it all over the lid. Now that color is on the lid, I'm going to be taking my Milani liquid liner and doing a quick line. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and use my Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. For kohl liner today, I'm using my LA Colors eyeliner in black. Taking a flat brush, I'm going in with the same color I used as my transition color in the Morphe 350 palette. This color right here, and I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line a little bit. Don't be sounding real to me. Now that my eyeshadow is complete, I'm gonna start off doing the fun part, which is the lace mask. So I'm going to take my eyeliner brush as well as a gel liner, and for this look, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal gel liner in Blackest Black. As I said in the intro, this look was inspired by Ray Does FX off Instagram. She actually did this look 2 years ago, and I recreated this look 2 years ago. I'll insert the clip here. And it was really nice, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to recreate it again. I was really inspired to put it on my YouTube channel for Halloween because it's a simple look that you can use using your makeup at home. You don't have to buy anything extra. You can just simply do this look with some eyeliner, and that's it, and you'll be beat. So to start off, I'm taking the gel liner and I'm going to creating circles around my eyes. So it was around this point I realized that this video needs to be a voiceover instead of uh, a talk through. So at this moment here, I'm taking the eyeliner and I'm circling around my eyes. So when you're using this eyeliner, you need to make sure to have a steady hand and use as much product as possible so your lines can be sharp yet pigmented. I was really struggling with that during this process. Next up, I started drawing the perimeter of the mask. I decided with this look, it was best to work from the outside going in. So I drew the perimeter and made sure to get the lines just as sharp and even as possible on each side. Right here, as you can see, I'm drawing the wings, like these little flabs right there. That's the wings, and they're gonna be 3 on each side. I lied. I meant to say that 4 little winky things, like little flabs, and then I'm going to circle inward and bring the mask inward to meet at the middle. And then I repeat the same steps on the other side. Ex-chick for this next hit. I remember we was texting and let the Netflix. You was tugging on my chain every time we sexing. Now you blowing up my phone like that. I get the message. Give a shout out to my ex-chick for this next hit. I remember we was texting and let the Netflix. So for this part in the middle, I drew a little bat. I drew the ears, connected them, and then I drew the face. And then after I drew the face, I pulled it down the nose and gave it a little body. With this part, I started to get frustrated because the lines were so intricate and I just didn't have the patience. But I drew a little design in the face as well as giving the bat a body. And I tried to make it even as possible because it's going down the center of my nose. The key to this look is making everything symmetrical as possible. Like, the more even it is on both sides and the more sharp my lines are, the better the mask will turn out. You was tugging on my chain every time we sexing. Now you blowing up my phone like that. I get the message. Bitch, you know I read it. For most of the detailing with this look, I tried to stay as true as to the reference picture by Ray Does FX. But I freestyled a little bit, especially like the little head right here. Hers was more detailed. And now I've moved on to the wings. When I got to this part, I started messing up a bit. As you can see, yeah, this look really did frustrate me because I couldn't get my lines right, and I believe it was the brush I was using. I was using an eyeliner brush, but I think I needed one of those like little paint brushes to really get in there. So after I fix my mistakes, I'm gonna go back in and repeat the same process, connecting the lines to the wings on the other side. Now it's time for the best part, which was doing the little squigglies. I call them little squigglies. I don't know what they're actually called, but yeah, I drew them on each side as well as extending the mask, like the tails of the mask a little bit at this point. Once I got done with all the squigglies, I started drawing little lines. These lines, I call them the lace part. So I I was drawing the lines and making them X's across my face to replicate the lace. Because, you know, it's supposed to be a bat lace mask. Yeah. One thing I can say is that I wish I would have drawn on the lace first. Like after I did the perimeter of the mask. I wish I would have did this first and then drew everything on top. Because this kind of smudged all the details I did in the beginning. Make sure next time if you guys do this look to do that part first and then do all the intricate details I did in the beginning. Half of these niggas they fake. A lot of them cannot relate. I cannot make no mistakes. I cannot make no mistakes, yeah. Just look inside my eyes and don't tell no lies. Look inside my soul, are you gonna ride? You say you wanna ride, well let's take a ride. It's a brand new Maserati, take a peek inside. Who wanna race? Could've pulled out the race, save for the rainy day. All of the feelings I had, they ran away. All of the feelings I had, they ran away. I'ma be the one to hold you down. I'ma be the one to dick you down. I'ma wipe no tears up off your frown. And I ain't gonna never let you drown. I'ma wipe no tears up off your frown. And I ain't gonna never let you drown. I'ma be the one to hold you down. I'ma be the one to dick you down. I'ma be the realest one you ever knew. I'ma be the realest one you ever knew. I'ma be the realest one you ever knew. That's real. I'ma be the realest one you ever knew. That's real. I'ma be the one to hold you down. That's real. Okay, now that the lace mask is done, we will now go back to your regularly tuned program. Bye. Now that the mask is finally done, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Heathers. As a finishing touch, I think I'm going to add some lashes, and I'm going in with my Demi Wispies by Kiss, and I'll be right back with the finishing touches. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and tune in next time. Deuces. I mean, I'm cut, bitch. I'm cut. Cut it. Cut it. Ooh, cut it. Ah, cut it. Ooh, cut it. Ah, cut it. Ooh, cut it. Hey.